Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. So Windows 11 is finally here. It comes with a massive redesign and new features that will offer a much faster experience. Microsoft's next generation of Windows will be rolled out later this year and will be available to users as a free upgrade. However, there are some hardware requirements that your PC needs to have to run the new Windows OS, such as processor GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip, SoC, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage or larger. Storage device, system firmware, UEFI, secure boot capable, graphics card, compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver, display, high-definition 720p display that is greater than 9 inches diagonally, 8 bits per color channel, internet connection and Microsoft accounts. Windows 11 Home Edition requires internet connectivity and a Microsoft account to complete device setup on first use. Switching a device out of Windows 11 Home in S mode also requires internet connectivity. Some of the top features are better multitasking experience. Windows 11 also brings new snap layouts, snap groups, and desktops to offer a better way to multitask. These are new features designed to help you organize your windows and optimize your screen real estate so you can see what you need just the way you want in a layout that's visually clean. Users will also be able to create separate desktops and customize them to their liking. For example, you can have a desktop for work, gaming or school. Next, Android apps on Windows. Microsoft is bringing Android apps to Windows for the first time. Starting later this year, people will notice Android apps in the Microsoft Store and will be able to download them through the Amazon App Store. The company has also announced that it will add Adobe Creative Cloud, Disney+, TikTok, Zoom, and some of its native apps like Microsoft Teams, Visual Studio, and even Notepad and Paint to Microsoft Store on Windows 11. The new Start menu drops the live tiles that were originally introduced with Windows 8 and opts for more of the typical launcher you'd find in Chrome OS or Android. There are apps, recent documents, and a separate search interface. Much of the centered appearance is clearly influenced by Mac OS and Chrome OS, and Windows 11 also includes the rounded corners we've seen in both Android and iOS. Next, significant changes for gamers. The new Windows 11 OS will bring a number of significant changes for PC gamers. It supports DirectX 12 Ultimate, which is said to offer immersive graphics at high frame rates. There is also support for Auto HDR, which Microsoft says will offer a wider, more vivid range of colors for a better visual experience. Direct storage is also there, which will offer faster load times as the game's assets will be loaded directly to the graphics card, instead of through the CPU. One will also find a built-in Xbox app in Windows 11. All the Xbox Game Pass users will be able to access over 100 high-quality games and stream titles via Xbox Cloud Gaming. Next, widgets. Windows 11 offers updated widgets that can slide over your desktop to show you news, weather, calendar, to-do list, and your recent photos. You will also be able to view the widgets on full screen in case you want to see everything at once. Users can add or remove widgets anytime they want. We often pick up our phones to check the news, weather or notifications now. You can open a similarly curated view directly from your desktop. When you open your personalized feed, it slides across your screen like a sheet of glass so it doesn't disrupt what you're doing. Lastly is the refreshing look. Windows 11 comes with a refreshing look. After upgrading to the new Windows OS, users will notice the Start menu at the center and rounded corners on menus. You will also see all the default icons such as Edge and File Explorer to the center. You do get the option to change the position of these apps and move the Start button to its original place. The updated Start menu now doesn't offer any live tiles that you might have seen in Windows 10. Instead, you will notice some recommended apps at the bottom. Microsoft has added a dedicated search button as well so that users can search for their favorite apps and preloaded functions. The update also brings redesigned sounds and alerts, and one will also notice some subtle changes in gestures. You will also see new themes and some attractive wallpapers. Well, that is it guys. What do you think about the new Windows 11? Let me know in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. everyone, peace out.